Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to burn fat with cardio, and why cardio is not as boring as you think. If you want to learn how to lose weight, boost your metabolism, and have fun, then keep watching. Cardio is one of the most common forms of exercise, and for good reason. Cardio can help you burn calories and fat, improve your cardiovascular health, and reduce your risk of many diseases. But many people think that cardio is boring, monotonous, and tedious. They think that cardio is just running on a treadmill, cycling on a stationary bike, or doing the same old routine over and over again. Well, I'm here to tell you that cardio can be fun, exciting, and varied. You just need to know how to spice it up and make it more effective. So how do you burn fat with cardio? The key is to vary the intensity, duration, and type of your cardio workouts. By doing this, you can challenge your body, keep your heart rate high, and avoid plateaus. Here are some tips on how to do that. First, you can try high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT is a form of cardio that involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and longer periods of rest or low-intensity activity. For example, you can sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 60 seconds, and repeat for 10 to 20 minutes. HIIT can help you burn more calories and fat in less time than traditional cardio, and it can also boost your metabolism for hours after the workout. HIIT can also improve your endurance, performance, and muscle mass. You can do HIIT with any type of cardio, such as running, cycling, jumping rope, or doing bodyweight exercises. The important thing is to push yourself hard during the intense intervals, and recover as much as you can during the rest intervals. Second, you can try circuit training. Circuit training is a form of cardio that involves doing a series of exercises, one after another, with little or no rest in between. For example, you can do 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 lunges, 10 burpees, and 10 sit-ups, and repeat for 3 to 5 rounds. Circuit training can help you burn calories and fat, as well as build muscle and strength. Circuit training can also keep your heart rate high and your boredom low, as you switch from one exercise to another. You can do circuit training with any type of exercises, such as weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. The important thing is to choose exercises that target different muscle groups, and to keep the rest periods short and the intensity high. Third, you can try different types of cardio. There are so many types of cardio that you can choose from, and each one has its own benefits and challenges. For example, you can try swimming, which is a low-impact, full-body workout that can improve your lung capacity and burn calories and fat. You can also try boxing, which is a high-intensity, upper-body workout that can improve your coordination, agility, and power. You can also try dancing, which is a fun, creative, and expressive workout that can improve your mood, flexibility, and balance. You can also try hiking, which is a moderate-intensity, lower-body workout that can improve your endurance, scenery, and mental health. The important thing is to find a type of cardio that you enjoy and that suits your goals, and to mix it up from time to time. So, there you have it. This is how to burn fat with cardio, and why cardio is not as boring as you think. By varying the intensity, duration, and type of your cardio workouts, you can burn more calories and fat, improve your fitness and health, and have fun. Just remember to warm up before and cool down after each workout, and to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. And always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any medical conditions or injuries. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of cardio and fat loss, and what other topics you want me to cover in the future. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.